welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. Golden miners, junior gold miners, GDX, GDXJ now lead all sectors here. Midday retailers, XRT, RTH, and home builders, home and construction, XHB, and ITB remain weak. The activity traded leading global and sector ETFs. Gold miners are all kicking right here, as we have said. These are ETFs. The VIX Volatility Index, the VXX plus 125. The VXZ. Solar TAN is another ETF that's doing well. The Commodity Index, the GSG, is okay as well. So it's a good, broader picture to see where the activity is being traded on a global and sector ETFs. And you can see where the weakness in. It's specifically basic materials that had a good run so far in July. They came up off their bottoms. Some of the commodity, the base metals, the semis are not leading the way. Transportation's right here. You don't want to see that. You want to see where those pullbacks are shorter in nature in order to keep the rally. So this is our update right here as far as which ones are doing well and which ones are not doing well, and which ones are key Pacific around the world and related and tied into the U.S. economy. Now, I will take a look at the GLD chart with you, and basically the GLD finally has come down and put a bottom in. And this is where we had shorted on the way down, but we also told you that we were getting that bottom in, and it's moved $3 off the bottom. And as far, that's the GLT gold spider there. The GDX, which is more of an ETF on a weekly basis, you're above the 10-week. You held the 200-week. That's a bull case for that, which we like to see. Another thing of it is, let's not be fooled that this is the Market Vectors ETF, gold miner ETF. We also want you to know that GLD is money comes back into these things when people still have a little bit of fear. And basically the bull case for the GLD now is that we've had that correction. We're setting in that weekly bottom, so we're 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks up with the rally, but the most important thing of it is that 10-week has to flatten out. That's the most important thing. We'll do these individually and update people again. Once again, that's the GLD. This is the GDX. They happen to be leading the way today as far as your global ETFs.